Manya gange bampita Zayra baby, oba osobola okumpita Desire. Yes. It's a foundation as well as I'm putting on the t-shirt. So mainly tuze kudonatinga mu ddwaliro. Yes. Zirobwe because I wanted to make this nga njagala kukikolera my mom because yazaalibwa eno and she raised me as a single mother. Yes, basically because nkikoledde mama wange. Yes, nkikoze nti nange njagala kuyamba but nkikoledde mama wange kubanga mutuuze wa Zirobwe. Nalonzeewo bana bakyala because nze ng'omuntu I was raised by a single mother and I saw what my mom was going through mu period y'okuturaisinga nze ne muganda wange. Yeah. So I sat down me personally nenga mami wange I want to go at your place, your village place, and I want to give in something, and she was like it's okay. Which village? Though yali surprised. Yeah, sorry, which village? Nangamba it's okay, we can come. Netubeera nga tetukola tutya tukwasaganya abakyala b'Ezirobwe. Sigala ngamba I did this nga nkikola bwagazi bwange and even ku mama wange ge mazima. Njagala I wanted to share because mfunyemu. I want sent mfunye nnyo but I've got some good thing in TikTok. Yes, mfunyemu, so byenfunyemu I wanted to share those sikikoze nzenzeka with my team as well. We wanted to share this with our people and yes.